Hi, today I will show you how to enable two-factor authentication on PassCamp. 2FA is an additional layer of security for your PassCamp account. To enable this feature, simply have to go to Profile and Account Settings, click Enable. See those recovery codes? They are here to restore your account, just in case you lose your phone or device. Make sure you copy and store them in a safe place. We good? Let's move on. For the next step, you will need to download Google Authenticator or any other app that supports the OTP authentication to your smart device. Have you got it ready? Simply scan the QR code in your account and your device will be saved for future use. Make sure to type the code you just got from the app to the field below. The last thing left is to confirm that you really want to enable two-factor authentication for your PassCamp account. You can always turn it off in the future if you want to. Just make sure you have your device or recovery codes with you. That's it! Your 2FA is now enabled and you have an additional layer of security protecting your PassCamp data. Thanks for watching and stay secure with PassCamp.